Welcome back. How are you doing? I am Odin, and today you can join me on a flight across the salt evaporation ponds of Samut Sakhon at the Gulf of Thailand. Wow, what a view! To stay in touch, please subscribe and turn on all notifications. To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle. Please give us your like. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.